Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to flip your camera horizontally. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And the next thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure you have your video source turned on. I'm assuming you already know how to do that based upon what you're looking up. And then just go ahead and right click it and then go to transform. And then here you can just flip horizontally. And as you see, now it's been flipped. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Psst, what are you doing? Psst, let me see. Bring it. Here. Here. What is it? What is it? Spit it out. Spit it. Spit it on. It's gonna... Go upstairs. Up. Up.